If you are looking for an assumable mortgage on the big real estate apps, you are likely missing out on 90% of the best deals. Most of these interest rate gold mines are hidden in plain sight because there isn't a simple click here for a 3% button on Zillow yet. To find these in 2026, you need to use specialized platforms like Rome or Assumable, which act as a search engine specifically for government-backed loans. These sites verify the interest rate and the remaining balance up front, so you know exactly how much cash you need to bridge the equity gap. If you are using the standard MLS, you have to search for specific keywords like assume or subject to in the private remarks section that only agents can see. You can also look at the tax and mortgage history section on any listing. If the home was purchased in 2020 or 2021, there is a massive chance it has a 3% rate. If the history shows a mortgage from a company like Freedom Mortgage or PennyMac, those are often FHO or VIA loans that are legally assumable. Don't wait for your agent to find these for you, because most agents don't want the extra paperwork that comes with an assumption. I have a specialized tool that scans every new listing in Virginia and Florida for these specific loan types the second they hit the market. Let's find your time travel mortgage today, before the rest of the market catches on to this secret.